want to go over a new feature added to our quality sample entry screen for any clients using really multiple people running or recording QC information, say on different screens. Maybe in the lab you've got multiple computers and you have people entering QC tests against the same, say, lot or batch, etc., and how you can see their results as soon as they press save. So let me go through some of that. So first off, this is quality sample entry. I happen to have component lot sample type pulled up with a specific lot number of a raw material. As you're aware, we work with different sample numbers. So each session that you come in where you want to save unique values, you can do so and save them as a sample number, and now that will get a unique number. It is also possible to go back and look at previous samples that are related to this same entity, in this case lot number. So I can see all QC samples that have previously been entered against this lot number on this screen. And that's actually seen down in this section. If this section isn't available to you, check your screen settings and make sure that the tab is available to you. If you don't see it there, you might not have security for it. Check with admin, your system administrator, and get access to it. But this related QC test allows us to see all QC samples that you have recorded against this specific lot, or if I had picked batch, against a specific batch. What's really nice about this is if I'm trying to trend a particular type of test, like I'm trying to see something might be going on with a batch, I can actually go and see the various QC test samples that have been entered and the results for those individual tests. I think this is really relevant for those labs that keep multiple people entering data off that same batch or that same lot simultaneously. You need to be able to see various trends that may be going on through the life of that lot or as people enter it. So it's really that simple. It's about the challenge here is if I'm on the screen entering my results and I want to go see something that's been entered while I had the screen open, I want to know how I can get those new results brought into the screen. This button has been added to the ribbon bar that didn't exist in a previous release. All you need to do is click on the refresh related QC, and if there's a new QC result, it'll show up here on this list. And of course, as you saw, I can change my filtering and I can change ordering or grouping of my data as well. The actual related QC test has been around a long time, but this refresh and auto populated QC test against this specific lot is the new part of this, and it's good for all platforms, SL, GP, NAB, and Business Central. Anyway, we hope that helps. Please give us any feedback that we can make your life a little easier, and look forward to talking with you in the future. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.